the tall trees sway.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-generated music. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to use Song R's free AI voice generator to create your very own AI songs. Whether you're a musician looking for some inspiration or just a tech enthusiast curious about the capabilities of AI, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Song R? Song R is an innovative AI platform designed to generate human-like singing voices. It uses advanced neural networks to create realistic vocal tracks that can be customized to fit your musical needs. And the best part? It's completely free to use. To begin, you'll need to sign up for a free account on Song R. Head over to their website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Don't worry, it only takes a minute. Welcome to the Song R dashboard. Here you'll find all the tools you need to create your AI-generated songs. Let's take a quick tour. The dashboard is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to AI music generation. All right, it's time to create our first AI song. Let's click on Cafe to get started. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about your song, such as the keywords for AI lyrics. I'm going to type something like About Me. Next, if you have your own lyrics, click on I have my lyrics. And if you don't, just press on Generate Lyrics. And here we go. It generated some lyrics. And if you don't like this, just click on Try Again. Next up, let's choose a voice model. Song R offers 3 pre-trained AI voices that you can use. Each voice model has its unique characteristics, so take your time to listen to the samples and pick the one that best fits your vision. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kevin voice model because it has a rich, vibrant tone that's perfect for our demo song. Next, you can select background image for your song. Simply click on Choose Image, then click on Choose File. And then select the image which you want to use. Then simply click on Add Image. We're almost done. Now simply click on Render.
In the heart of the land, where the tall trees sway, a tale they spin as the night meets day, with a soul so vast.
Now you can simply download the music in 2 formats, video or audio, and choice is yours which format you want. I'm going to select video file. Okay, so next, enter the location where you want it to save. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating AI songs using Song R's free voice generator. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, and it's a fantastic tool for musicians, producers, and creators of all kinds. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of AI music you'll be creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating, everyone!